Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you will do text effect in Photoshop. So first of all, open the file in Photoshop which you want to edit. Then next, select the type tool. Choose the font which you want to. Alright, and the layer and convert it to smart object. Now press Ctrl T. Adjust the text according to you. Now select the warp. Adjust the text according to the object. Hold Ctrl and click on first layer. Hide the layer if you want. You can delete. Add a mask. Choose the brush and maximum the hardness. Now so add new layer and move it below and select the solid white color. That's done. Hope you will like it. Thank you.